Hey, peep this shit is secret. And the beat sick, and the police in the precinct. Man, they tweaking. Niggas speaking, you can hear the lick, it ain't working. 6 bitches on the block twerking. No snitches, man, I'm not hurting. Working like the bag in. A chick with a wagon. 44 Magnum, speed low. And a trick who can get the weed sold. If you pinched on front like you need more, my team know the chances make a champion. You can catch me with Jig and champion them, amping Kim with a brim like a mafia. If I gotta grab my gun, man, I'm copping ya. Harley Davidson right off the chopper, bruh. You better go and cop the stuff, shit popular. It's like silk, get a shock you, bruh. Nobody topping us, about to cop a truck. Bitches wanna shop with us, it's a must. Loyalty in God we trust, ask Gus. He said it ain't no leak in our team. My whole life I kept cream, slept with a queen, seeking a fiend. You drinking the lean or take the molly. I got people moving cakes and molly. A long time ago in my life, I was rowdy, slim with a big heart. When the shit start, I'm right there with a right decker in your night. Back with Jig. The Henny and the Heine might bend me like I fell off a mini bike out of jail with a semi-like Frank Nitty living in the gang city. It ain't pretty, gotta be gritty and witty. In Detroit City, shit ball, you could be laying in coals. Funeral home, easy light. You got a light, give me your wallet. You star bitch, 2 shots, you dog get. You could be the next target. Linwood TV, we all spit. We all dogs, so we all pits. Glock under my armpit. You in the alarm trick, you'll get your treat. I'm a grown man shit, but still keep the heat. Late night chillin', laying with a freak. Damn, ma, you wanna hit the lie, gotta hit the block. The spot running out of rocks. Damn, ma, yeah, gon' hit the lie. Yeah, ma, gon' hit the lie.